So a lot of people are talking about the 9% corporate tax in Dubai, and in another video that we posted here on the channel, I explained that this is not even applicable to you unless you're making over 3 million dirhams in revenue or about 816,000 US dollars in revenue. However, if you are making more than 102,000 US dollars in net profit or 375,000 dirhams in net profit, then let's go over exactly how much tax you're actually paying on an effective basis, not just say, oh, 9% tax. Let's actually go over how much tax you're paying. So let's say your company made 555,000 dirhams in revenue. And for the purpose of this video, let's just say there are no expenses attachable to this revenue. It's straight up profit, which is fantastic. Congratulations. So the first thing we need to do is calculate the tax up to 375,000 dirhams, which is very easy to calculate. It's 0%. However, on the net profits above this is where the 9% will tax you. Of course, again, if you're making over 3 million dirhams in revenue, which in this case you wouldn't, but let's just say you did. So you would take your 550,000 in net profit and subtract 375,000 because that is taxed at 0. And of course, you'll take that amount and you will multiply it times 9%, which would give you 15,750 dirhams in corporate tax to pay, which if you calculate on an effective basis on the entire thing, that's 2.86%, which is a lot lower than the 9%. Okay, now let's just say you had a net profit of 1 million dirhams. We'll take 1 million dirhams, subtract 375,000 dirhams, and you take that amount and you multiply it times 9%. In this case, you would have to pay 56,250 dirhams in corporate tax. So when you calculate this, your effective tax rate is 5.6%, which is still a lot lower than the 9%. So it's really important to realize that yes, we have this 9% tax, but it's actually realistically a lot lower than 9% because you don't have to pay anything on the net income that is below 375,000 dirhams, or again, 102,000 US dollars. And again, just to make it very clear, if your company is in the small business category, which is a company making under 3 million dirhams in revenue or 816,000 US dollars in revenue, well, none of this even matters because if you register for corporate tax, have the proper accounting in place, well, you don't even have to pay this corporate tax. When you file your tax return, you will opt for the small business relief and you will not have to pay this. So it's really important to register for corporate tax, have the proper accounting in place. And of course, if you need help with this, if you need help to register your company or for the accounting side of things, we can help you. Book a call with us down below and we would be more than happy to assist you.